Yo, yeah, I leave my bike there because we're going to have a breakfast in this like canteen, you know. I'll be having this bacon and egg roll. Oh, my soft drink is there. I'm going to take it. And at the moment, there are many children. They are playing the rugby. Oh, football. It's football. Yeah, you see. Yeah, the adults. I mean, the teenagers are on that side. Maybe high school. Yeah. Also on that side, when I was on my way coming here, I've seen many people playing this kind of games. Oh, now I understand. The name of the place is Robina Baseball Soccer Club. Yeah, we're going now to the Robina train station, going to Brisbane. I think this Robina is a suburbs of Gold Coast because this is just around 5-10 minutes from Gold Coast. We are now here in this crossing, and I've seen a signboard saying Robina Shopping Center on this side. We're going to check the Google map which one is the train station. This way, that way, or this way. That bird noticed me. Look at that. And then in here there's a bike lane, walkers lane, a shared pathway for both the walkers and the riders. Like, oh no, I lost. Which one is actually? Okay, we check the Google map again. And this is how it is here. There is some shop and restaurant establishment here, and petrol station, and the train station is on that side. We're going to get there. And on this side there is one like a stadium, yeah, sports facility, a residential area. We are now here at the train station, and yeah, that's the Gold Coast. If you can see those tower, that's the Gold Coast, and then this area is Robina. Yo. And you know, here they have this bike locker where you can put your bike inside for security, for safety. And aside from that, they also have this from outside. And let's have a look what they have inside. Yeah, maybe the people inside is for long traveler. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing that, to put this bike inside and then pick it up when I need it. Whoa, I don't know. Yo. And we are now in the platform 2 of the train station. Kabayan po. Dito po kayo nakatira? Sa Brisbane? Sa Brisbane po. Sa ano po ako, sa Nelson Bay. Nelson Bay, Newcastle, New South Wales. Nice. Nagbisikleta lang ako papunta dito. Ulala, I feel like I will keep on standing holding this bike until I reach the destination. I think it's still far to get there. Stopping only at locally and out. Yo, we just get down from the train and we are now here in the Roma Street train station, and we're going to the other side to get to the Dakabin. Yan, $14. are right now in the Bruce Highway. This is similar to Pacific Highway where I drive with my bike before. As you can see the wings, I mean, yeah, the sideways, it's very small. I remember last week, few days ago, yeah, it's a bit scary when there are big trucks passing. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, but you know, the driver, they are usually give you proper space, so you will always be safe when you are biking on that side. We are going to Sunshine Coast with Ronald, Karen, and Jack, and Chad. Sorry, Chad. We are in the second stop. I don't know the name of the castle, but it's a castle. The biggest castle here in Australia. The name of this place is Sunshine Castle. This is the highest part of this castle. You see the 360-degree view of the city, of the place. KFC. KFC is like a comfort food. We are going to have one of that. Family fish.
Comedy ka talaga, de.
Rice is life, man. Yo, we just did the rice meal challenge. Yeah, I did that before. We bring rice inside the KFC, but this time, we bring it with the rice cooker. It's nice. It is always satisfying to eat the rice in every meal. Out of battery with the other camera. That's now I am using this GoPro Hero Session 4. And at the moment there are a lot of there are girls, ladies that are swimming down there. Ronald also is swimming. Yo, where is this place? Another good thing to consider coming here in Noosa is that Yeah, most of the shop, restaurant, they are still open, even until maybe, I hope, late. Yeah, the time now is already 6 o'clock, and they are still open in there.